We are all familiar with the saying or maybe a command, travel light. Ako po ay aminado kung mayroon pong 3 araw na biyahe, ang dadalhin ko pong gamit ay pang 5 araw. Dahil alam ko po at kilala ko po ang sarili kong sigurista. I would believe and even try to embrace this command. And this would result me to bring much bigger bag and prepare doubly for the trip. But my dear brothers and sisters, what is important or what is valuable with traveling light? It teaches us to be mindful of what is only isn't necessary, because having too much, we might have nothing left for ourselves or for others, or eventually, aalis din tayo na hindi natin alam kung ano ang dapat lang dalhin. Solomon and the disciples of Jesus were asked to travel light. Maging magaan at isipin ang mga dapat na dalhin sa pagpunta sa misyon na iniatas sa kanila ng Diyos. Because for a missionary, for a man and woman of God, it is not how fancy or elaborate or how you accumulate things for you to prepare for daily mission or for daily work. The lighter you go, the graceful you can proceed with each day. Pero hindi lamang po pagta-travel light ang kailangan o nais ng Diyos sa kanila. Hindi lamang dapat onti ang dala. But as well, travel light, travel with the light. Magaan na nahahayo, hahayo din sa liwanag ng Diyos. David sent off his son Solomon not only with less, but with the blessings of God, with the light of God. Before departing from this world, he asked his son to follow the Lord, to be good, and to be brave. And that is a way how someone can send his beloved not only to travel light, but to travel with the light. Same goes as Jesus. As Jesus prepared his disciples for mission, he asked them to travel light. He asked them not to bring anything, no food, no sack, no money in their belts. But he also sent them off with the light. Not only to travel with less, but to go on with life, with blessings, and with the protection of God. To move forward with the assurance that what we have inside is God's blessings and God's light. Mga minamahal na kapatid, sa patuloy po na tinatawag nga nating pagpapadayon sa buhay o sa pagpapatuloy ng buhay, may we not fall into accumulating things of our own, but to travel light and to travel with the light. More than reminding others to bring with them what is only necessary in mission and daily life, let us not forego them. Let us not forego of sending them off with the light and with our light. Your simple smile, your simple shoulder tap, ang inyo pong mga mahihigpit na yakap at pagkakamayan sa bawat isa, ang mga salita natin, and most especially, our sincere prayers. It is our part of sending each other off to travel with the light. Let us not only give up unnecessary things, as we go and as we go on. But most importantly, to travel with the light. Go with blessings. Send off someone with love. May we send each other off to daily good life and with God who is light.